Hello, thanks for watching. Let me show you how I make a potion prop with Smooth-On's ENCAPSO K to ink your silicone. So I'm just preparing the part A, shook it up like the container told me to, and pouring it into 2 cups, trying to get the same visual volume. I'm going to get it as close as possible. And ENCAPSO K is a tin cure silicone that's mixed 1:1 by volume. The part B is very low viscosity, very, very easy to pour, and we've got it right about to the same height. Perfect. Close up that container nice and tight. I'm going to use Ignite, which is a fluorescent pigment system. I've got a whole bunch of colors here to choose from. I want something a little more spectral, kind of ectoplasmic for this potion. So I'm going to start with a green. So I'm just mixing it in with a wooden crafting stick. And I've got it completely green, but that's still a little light, so I want something a bit more vibrant. I'm going to use some more Ignite this time, the fluorescent yellow, and there we go, a nice spectral, supernatural effect. I'm going to pour these materials into a new mixing container just so I have a little bit more room to mix and pour. This is just a glass bottle that I got from a local craft store. You have 60 minutes in this pot light to help reduce the amount of bubbles that I'm pouring into the container. I'm pouring in a long thin stream. You can see those bubbles though floating up to the top. So here's the bottle after 24 hours. You can see it's nice and firm, it's not going anywhere, it's not liquid any longer. Here's an example that I like here in our mixing container. ENCAPSO K is really flexible and breaks and tears away very easy, which is nice for ice or glass effects. And here's some examples that use Smooth-On's Cast Magic series too in sort of a suspension. I hope you have a lot of fun with your projects, and thanks for watching.